Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So I'm gonna get back into doing some live streaming again. Sort of had an issue with the past couple of days. I was installing Unreal Engine, and for some reason it conflicted with my Visual Studio on Mac for some reason, and then I had to pretty much reinstall and uninstall everything, and now it's working again. So it's been a couple of days since I did a live streaming last, and I'm pretty sort of confused about what I was talking about last time. But after watching it a little bit, I realized that what we covered was we created a GraphQL schema. I think we set up everything to be TypeScript instead of JavaScript, and that's pretty much about it. So here's the thing that I want to try to get done today. I don't know if I can do it like this or not, but this is what I was thinking. Oops, let me move that to the side. Here's what I was thinking. I want to try and see if we can take this new workout plan.json file that I made, and by the way, the link to this is also in the description down below. I think it's called like JSON workout plan or something. But I want to try and figure out a way to, I guess, parse through this JSON and then to be able to simply display 1 week's worth of data, I guess. But I'm not really sure how to proceed with that. So let's just go ahead and try some stuff out. So what I'm going to do is, let me just zoom in a lot more here. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to ask ChatGPT if it could give me any ideas on what would be my next step. So I'm saying, okay, so I got my Firebase emulators set up with authentication and a screen to have the user fill out their workout plan. I'm just confused if the workout plan should be in the DB for each user when the user is created, or how that should work. So I'm going to let that work its magic in the back end. So let's see what it says here. To embed or to not embed. Embedding. Pros, fast reads because all the workout data is already in the same document as the user data. You'll hit the Firestore document size limit eventually if you keep adding workout plans and exercises. Okay. Referencing. More scalable. Each user has an array of references for their workout plans stored in each collection. Multiple reads needed to get the user's complete data, including all the workout plans. So option 1, when a user is created a default or empty workout plan, could be embedded in the user's document. The workout plan could be a field within the user document itself. When the user modifies the workout plan, you update that field. This is simple but not necessarily the most scalable solution. Firestore documents have a 1 megabit limit size. Okay. So if you envision adding a lot of additional data to the user, or if the user will have many workout plans, you might hit the limit. Yeah, that's probably what's going to happen, is because as we scale this application, as we add more and more things to it, and more workout plans, that's probably going to be the worst solution then. Number 2 is separate collection referenced by user. You create a separate workout plans collection where each document corresponds to a workout plan. In the user's collection, you have a field that's an array of workout plan, okay, document IDs that belong to a user. This is more scalable and offers greater flexibility if you want to allow a user to share workout plans, or if you want, that doesn't really matter to me. Okay, well, let me show you what I had earlier. So this is how I created the idea of how we can separate it out. So we can have a user. That user is going to have an ID, email, and the workouts. And then it's a string of user array workout IDs. So let me see if I can feed this into ChatGPT and give you some suggestions or improvements on this. Here's what I came up with before. Can you improve it and make it better? And fill in any gaps. Alright, so let's take a look at what you've got and make it better. Your basic structure looks good, Let's just find some details, make sure everything is covered. So user collection. ID is going to be primary key, string, unique, indexed, okay, workouts. You know what, hang on, before we do that, can you also please provide a small commented description next to each item that explains ELI5 what they do. So just to make sure that I have full understanding of what's happening and how it's working. Okay, so user collection, string ID, primary key, unique key, so we know who, user's email, so we can send them updates or recover passwords. Cool. Workouts, list of workouts the user will be doing, basically IDs that point to a specific workout routines. Okay. Preferences, map, things like whether the user wants notifications or what measurement units to use. Okay. Okay, that's important too. Workout template collection ID, string, unique ID for each template, makes finding them easier. Description, string, quick info like, okay, yeah. Focus, what we'll be focusing on, like building, okay, duration, template, array of maps, the meat of the workout plan, and what exercises to do when, week number, int, which exercise is this, which week is this exercise for, okay, which day of that week, which exercise to do, links to the list of exercises. Okay, and then after that we have exercise, target muscles. Okay, I mean, that's a pretty solid idea. What I'm going to do is, just to make sure, just feed it 1 week's worth of workout plan data. Just so we can see if there's anything else that I want to add. But I'm still a little confused on how to proceed with this because I've never done it before, so I don't really know if what I'm going to be doing is going to be right at all. So let's see here. Updating your database design. Oh, okay. So this is workout template right here. Template 1, full body template, this. Okay. Progress, this. Oh, which one of these would work out better for me? You have a 1 rep max RPE. So reduce over serious lift, just make sure your app allows. Let me also give it the, here's the image of the Figma design for the app. There we go. Let that work its magic for that. So you might want to allow for reps to be set for exercises where you might not use a 1 rep max. Well, okay, you might want to allow for reps to be set for exercises where you might not. I mean, if it's like weighted pull-ups and stuff, that's something that we do want to worry about. The completion date could be part of that. Okay, yeah. I like the design. This makes sense to me. Let's go ahead and get started with that, actually. While it's doing that, okie dokie. Okay, let's start with the design you gave. And let's get our hands absolutely filthy. Is that what we push? No, that's not what we want. Let me do this. Where's the thingy? Okay, I can't do it there. I like this idea a lot. So let's do this here. Be designed for the database. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's do the design for the database you mentioned. How can I get started? I have everything set up. Just don't know what to do next. I like the fact that I can just ask as many questions as I possibly want without sounding moronic. Alright, so it's saying, let's set up the crucial step, define tables and relationships. Okay. I mean, do we need the date the user signed up? I don't think we do. I mean, I guess we can always like change and customize it as we go on, because this is all running locally, so we're not really spending any money on it whatsoever. Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Relationships, users to workouts, one of many, one user can have many workouts, yep. Workouts to workout details, one of many, one workout can have many details for many exercises, yep. Exercises to workout details, one of many. One exercise can be part of many workout details, yep. Choose a database system, given that you're making blah blah blah. Okay, well, let's do this. I'm running Firebase emulator with, I think we have Firestore emulator and real-time database. Oh, we have these. I'm just gonna do one of these. I'm just gonna do that. There we go. Copy this. Firebase with these debated, which should be the best bet. Ideally, this app won't grow too much. It's more for learning, you know. What the hell is that? Nope, that's not it. There we go. Okay, copy that and paste that there. Here we go. Okay. Stop it and do that. Alright. Let that do the thingy that it's gotta do. Where's that extra choice? You might wanna, but still want some robust for real-time capabilities. Firestore is a document-based NoSQL JSON tree, giving your apps requirement. Yeah, I think we already decided on using Firestore earlier. Functions. Yeah, I already know how to do that, but how do I get started? Setting up Firestore. In Firestore, think of tables as collections, so you would have collections like users, okay? Okay, yep. Yeah, that's true. You shouldn't be able to access other people's workouts. Integration, since you're on Firebase, you'll probably be using the Firebase SDK. Maybe from that spot you love to eat. Okay, let's just get started. I'm just gonna let it know that we're building the app. Oh, well, you guys can't see it. Oops. We're building the app in Expo. I already have it set up. I just need to get the Firestore DB set up easily and on one command. Here's my code. I guess I'll send it some of my code just so it knows that, like, at least I'm working through it. And this is our JSON. Index.js. We'll send that. We can send this to test function, sure. I don't think, no, we don't need to send that. Shoot, we don't even need test function. I thought we got rid of that. Oh well. We have this, and then no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do. How do I? What the hell is this? What did I just press? Source control? No. Oh god, no. Close that, close that. Okay. I don't know what just happened. PowerShell extensions, git lens. Okay, whatever. I think I pressed something, but I don't know what I pressed. So we have that as a Firebase. These are components right here. Power building TS. Okay. So initialize, since you already have initialized. We already have initialized. Oh right, we need to initialize Firestore. Right, okay. So we've initialized authentication, but we gotta Firestore. Give me 1 second. I gotta just turn on my fan. It's hella hot. Okay, close that. So let's see what it said so far. So we got initialize Firestore. Okay, we'll do that. Create CRUD functions. Now let's set up some basic CRUD function to add a new workout for simplicity. Okay, add workout. On request, use ready workout. Okay. Integrate Firestore into your React component. Okay. Okay. Well, I know that I don't think this Firebase initialization is ideally correct. But let's see how we're doing it for our authentication. Get auth right here. Okay. So we have let's put it right up here. We'll do const db is equal to Firebase dot Firestore, and then where is our if dev? We'll do I guess const db is equal to get db. No, get auth. What is get auth? Where is this coming from? Oh, right here. Okay. Firebase auth, Firebase this. Let me try something out here. Let me do import get db. You know what's gonna be the best idea here? There's probably, let's just go to the documentation for this. So Firestore, Firestore SDK JS. Firestore JS. Get started. Okay, so we have this here. Set up everything, yada yada yada. Where is Node.js? Is it really that unpopular? Wow. Okay. Get Firestore. Okay, so that's how you do it. Wait, initialize cloud functions. Initialize on cloud. What the heck? Okay, well, I guess let's just try out the way that this is asking us to do it. Because it's taking us to the Firestore. Okay, that should be fine. I think that's good. And then db, so db dot settings, and then host. Our host is actually Firestore, which is this, I think. Oh no, it's actually 10.0.2.2.8084, because we're doing it locally. I think that's how you do it. SSL false, sure. Save that. And then we have an error that says Firebase emulator config failed. I don't think I have to restart it. First try this instead of that. Okay, let's give that a try. So instead of doing 10.2.2, because I thought it was for local emulators, let's just straight up do that and see what happens. Oh no, okay, same error. I don't think it's that then. So here's the example that they gave in the Stack Overflow is initialize app, Firebase auth, okay, and then that's for the auth. No, we need it for Firebase emulators. Oh, wait, auth emulator. Why is that? Hang on, let's save this, reload the app. What does that even mean? Firebase, no Firebase app has been created. Are you sure about that? It is right there. Okay, let me do this. I think there might be a different way of doing this then. So let's save this. Does that still work? Okay, so that still works. So I think that we're doing it in an incorrect way. Oh wait, let's put this here, like so, and we'll do that like so. Firestore, you're overriding the original host if you do not intend to override. Oh, really? Am I? I wonder what that means. Firebase Firestore. Let's look this up. Hang on, let's put this here. I think it should be fine. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. I think it should be fine. And I feel like putting it directly into the front end right here doesn't seem like the best way to do it. Yeah, let me try something out here. Where does this go? Because I'm not assuming, I don't think this goes in the actual front end. Firebase call function that adds any work editor. Alright, here's what you gotta do. First things first, make sure you already imported. Okay. Oh, and the Firebase cloud function is where it's saying to put it, which is right here. Okay. Oh, now place the add workout function right after your other functions in the same file. Okay, so right there. Sure. New collection workouts. Okay. After adding the function, you can deploy. I don't think we need to do it like that. I'm gonna do this, and then pretty much just npm install -g Firebase tools. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rerun Firebase emulators because it automatically reloads the functions and everything. Okay, so I had that there, and then integrate the Firestore into your React component. Okay, I'll give that a try. So save that, and then inside of my components, power building.tsx. Close these. There we go. So let's see what this is even doing. So we have a okay, so we have a use state called workouts, set workouts, okay. User ID, Firebase auth, current, get logged in user's ID, okay. If user ID, unsubscribe, Firestore collection. Okay. And then when you set up Firebase security rules, don't forget to set up, at a minimum, to ensure that only authenticated users can do these things. Okay. Where can I set those rules? Security rules. Here's some. I think I saw it. Security. No. Storage rules. Is that it? Yes. And then here, like so. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have installed the newest update of npm at the same time. And then lastly, in the emulator script, we need to add this function. Okay, so it's saying to edit. I'm not gonna. So basically, what it's doing is that it wants us to add. When we run emulators, it wants us to only authenticate for these things, but we can just have everything running. It's not going to be the end of the world. Here's what I'm going to do. Clear that, and then we'll do Firebase emulators start. Firebase. What did I do? Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's really not good. Is everything broken now? Firebase --v. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is not good. This is really not good. I was installing the newest version of Firebase, of npm, canceled out of it. Now my Firebase is not a command. So Firebase will be using npm. Should have added a path there. Okay. I guess let's reinstall it then. Please tell me that npm is okay. Thank God. I thought I was gonna say like npm is not is a command not found. Oh no. npm-v. Let's try this out again. Let's do this. Let me restart the terminal. So let me do cd fit tracker Firebase emulators start. Oh no. Let me try reinstalling one more time. Okay, well, it's returning this error. I don't know what. The terminal has no selection of copy. Copy that. Okay, so let's see what it's saying here. The error is suggesting that there's an error there. Renaming the directory. Okay. This command will ask for the computer's password since you're using sudo, which gives super privileges. Okay. Alright, let's give that a try. I'm going to just move it to the side right here, like so. Okay. Oops, there we go. And then we're just going to clean the cache. I guess just let it take its time with that. I'm not going to force close it again. Okay, and now let's try to reinstall it. Please work. Please work. For the love of God, please work. Okay, it looks like it's probably gonna work, but I'm not gonna cancel out of it again. Okay, so while that's happening, let's just go through this really quickly. So we have argument ID string is unassignable parameter. I don't even know what that means. Doc ID. ID string of undefined. This is expecting oh no. Okay, there we go. Okay, so clear Firebase emulator start. Please work. There we go. Okay, what did it say here? The following emulators are not calls to these services for emulators. CloudFire's emulator does not support multiple databases yet. Okay. Did not find a cloud rules file in the Firebase.json file. I do have them. Storage rules, storage.rules. Yeah, it's right here. Let's do /. Failed to load definition of cannot find. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna restart it. And I'm gonna get rid of these debug logs. I feel like they're just chunking up the app. Okay. Did not call Cloud Firestore rules. Oh, oops. Oh, yeah, okay. I just realized what happened. I think it's called Storage Firestore. Rules, and then storage rules, like so. I think. All right. Okay, there we go. So it's not throwing the same errors as last time. Did not find a real-time database rules. That's fine. We're not even using a real-time database. I wonder if it's using your processing power. If I have it even on. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Oh my god. I could use a nap right now. So Firebase emulator started, perfect. We go to Firestore, which is this. I don't even know how to get started with this. Okay, I'm so confused. So if I save this, and then, do I have my server running too? I do, okay. Functions, which is right here. I guess let's do this. Let's go ahead and create an account. Oh, do I have it? Reload the app. Okay, oh wait, I don't even have an account. Oh, please don't be lagging now. Oh, let me turn off ChatGPT. I think that's what's causing the issue. Oh, damn it. Android. Okay. Sign up, and then a@a.com. Password, sign up. Okay. And then I go here. Okay. Firestore caught error in snapshot listener rules version. What does that even, what the hell does that even mean? We're gonna ChatGPT the hell out of this thing. Okay, so this error, I'm gonna provide this as well. Instead of our, no, not this one. Instead of our storage rules. This is right here. We're gonna give it that. Firebase JSON. We're gonna provide it like that. And then powerbuilding.tsx. We're gonna give it that as well. So the reason I gave it those files is because those are all pretty much connected to the error. Firebase and writing is a nice combo. Looks like you're building some sort of workout app. Hey, you know what, buddy? Duplicate rule. Oh, that's the thing. Okay, incorrect file reference. Looks like you've incorrectly pointed it. Okay, remove one of your rules from your... Okay, that's what it means. Let's do this. Let's get rid of these rules. Okay. And then inside of here, we'll do dot, let's call it something like firestore storage dot rules. We'll paste it into it like that. Save that. And then inside of the firebase.json, why did I do firestore storage? Oh god. Let's do firestore.rules. Paste that into there like so. And then that should be pretty much it, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's rerun the not the front end. Damn it. I don't want to run the front end. We don't even need the back end running at all right now. And now let's run the emulators. Go, my son. Compile. Okay, so it compiled properly. Give me a second, I'm just putting an episode of Family Guy in the background. Okay, so we have that. Opening up an Android. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, please. Don't do this to me. And required is not found. Okay. I don't understand, like sometimes I feel like computers just want to make trouble. They're little silly butts. They're little silly boys and girls. It's a little silly computer. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Are you coding it? Oh yeah, no, unfortunately not. Just an Expo, yeah. Okay. Why can't I just get rid of all of these? Open up an Android. Okay, close the terminal. Let's retry this. Expo start. Yeah, see, I want to do it in Expo, but actually no, I don't think it's. Oh, sorry, no. I don't think it's possible to do it in Electron, is what I meant to say. Is that even possible? Is that even a thing? Expo development for apps. Oh, sorry, not Expo. I don't know why I keep saying Expo. Electron development for apps. For mobile apps. Is Electron.js able to make... Well, while that's running in the background, let's see what Quora says. Electron actually has a focus on desktop. Probably got Photon? Photon. If you want to use Apache, Cordova, Ionic. Ionic, I've heard of that. What is Ionic? Ionic development. Is that like based off of JavaScript? Oh, that's sick. Wait, so you prefer to use Ionic React? Oh, cool. I didn't even know that was a thing. I've never heard of Ionic before. I mean, I've heard of Ionic. I just never worked with it before. I thought it was like, I thought you had to have like Java experience to work with Ionic, but I guess not. It's all through JavaScript. That's pretty dope. Cool. I should probably learn how to make it and make some tutorials off of it. I guess that's in the future. Right now, we gotta focus on making this app. Okay, let's reload the app a few times. I think that's what's required here. It's really oddly taking this sweet time. Oh, you know what? I've been learning how to use Unreal Engine. I don't know, would you guys want to see a tutorial on that? Actually, I'm probably already make a tutorial on that. Because, like, you know what I was thinking? I don't know if it's possible or not. And I don't know if, like, I genuinely don't even know if it's a thing. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to take a map of a city. Like, let's say something like Kansas City. I don't know if there's a city in Kansas or not. But, like, take a major metropolis and try to see if I can find some data about it. Like, open map data, 3D data, and everything like that. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to see if I could like make a 3D model of it. So back a little bit of time ago, Engine 5 city demo. Unreal Engine made a city demo sample. Let me see if I can find an image here. That looked really, really cool. I even downloaded it for my PS5, and it was incredibly realistic. I genuinely don't even know how they made it so well. And so that's what I was thinking, like, do you think it'd be like a way to like make a city based off of map data and just programmatically create the 3D models in Unreal Engine? I don't know if it's possible or not, but I'm trying to mess around and see if I can do something like that. I don't like I don't think it's gonna work, but I think it's a cool attempt at least. You never know. You never know. Okay. Why can't I? Man. Let me navigate through this, please. Please. Why can't I navigate through this thing? Fit tracker front end. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now it should be fine. So that's how I have to open it. I have to literally go into Expo and manually open it from there. AA. What we'll do is we'll make a script so it automatically creates a user for us whenever the app is created. Okay. So we sign up, go there, go to the screen. What do we have? Any errors? No, we don't have any errors. Okay. And so now if we go into a Firebase emulator, refresh, nothing. here's what we'll do. Let's close this. Let's close that. Index.js on request. Yeah, so we're calling it right here. Oh wait, what was that error just now? What did it say? Firestore could not reach Cloud Firestore backend with there. Okay, let me try to do this instead. We'll use this host instead, like so. Okay, refresh. I wonder why it's so confusing. a@a.com, to password. Oh yeah, we also have to make that too, where it automatically takes you to the home screen. Okay. So we have something. You are writing the original user signed in this. Could not reach. Okay, so and is that? But if I go into my Firestore, sweet. Okay, no, I still don't see anything there. Let's do this. Let's send this whole bad boy to. Oh, it's gonna keep going, isn't it? Hopefully it doesn't like time out or anything. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in ChatGPT, that error itself, and see what we get. Really? Really? Okay. Okay. And then let's get rid of this. Okay. What are you gonna say? That's a mouthful of logs. Short down major issue. Couldn't connect within 10 seconds. If you're using Firestore emulator, make sure it's running properly. If the production auth state is not present. Okay, so I'm running it locally on my Android emulator on Mac. So basically I'm just sending the app.tsx file and also telling it that I'm running it locally through everything. Okay, Apollo kind of looks like you have a mix of servers running. Good job. Hang on, let's look something up here. Firestore, Android emulator. What the hell? Firestore, Android emulator, not connecting. 10 seconds. Okay, let's see what it says here. The problem with the emulator was the emulator, not the code itself. No. If you're using Firestore excessively, backend we should not respond. Let's check out this one. Okay, so this is exactly what we're doing. Also facing issue. If it's a virtual device that's being reproduced, it can't be handled or Android version. What? Okay, I don't think that's right. Hang on, I have an idea. Let's do this. Firebase, Firestore, Expo, React Native Medium, I think. How to integrate Firebase React Native Firebase with Expo. I just need to see the little snippet of code where they're implementing it in their app. We're actually not even using React Native Firebase. Firebase SDK. Okay. Authentication, storage, Firestore. Here it is. Damn it, it's gonna take me to the documentation. Okay. Install it. Okay. So we need to do this and this. Okay, well, I'm feeling a bit lazy right now, so what we'll do is, how can I connect my Firestore to my Android emulator locally? Please don't be too long. Okay, good. Your code seems to already handle this part with Firebase initialization. What? What does that even mean? So we already have it initialized, which is good, right here. And then we have Firebase Firestore, which is this right here. I mean, yeah, so let's try, let me look something up here. Host string. Okay. So if I do http://10.0.2.2 like this, could that work? Let's give that a try and see what happens. And then for this, is there like a log or something? And then password, then log in. Okay. Wait, what did it say? Did it say the same thing again? It said, cannot restore. Damn it. Okay, let's see what it says here. Service this. Oh wait, maybe it has something to do with my security rules. Hang on, let's do this. Let's go into the package JSON, the Firebase JSON. Let's comment this out, or let's just get rid of it. Okay. Alright, let's see what we gotta do here. So we have that there, okay. Oh no, please tell me you didn't. Okay, good. Let me just reload this. And you know what? If the user is already logged in, user is logged in like this, so a@a.com. You're not gonna let me type in it? Okay. a@a.com, and then password. Oh right, we refreshed it. I just remembered that. Come on, buddy. You can work. Okay. a@a.com. Password. Sign up. Click that, and now let's see what happens. Still the same thing. Could not reach Cloud Firestore backend. Connection failed 1 times. Most recent error. Version. I don't think that's an issue. Let's try this out. Firebase Compat connect to Android emulator React Native. Let's try that out. Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't see anything obvious. Make sure the answers and stars are answering application. Unfortunately, it still doesn't work for me. Okay, definitely change the library. Same thing happened to me. The reason was on a Firestore wasn't allowing DB interactions. For example, if you start out in dev mode and your rules are like this, then when you go into there, it works. Is that it? Okay, let's give that a try then. So inside of the Firestore rules, do I have any? Is there any difference? Here, let me change some things up here. So, okay, how about this? You know what? I think here's what we should do. Let's use React Native Firebase instead. Okay. Help me set up using React Native Firebase package with my emulator suite, please. Here's my code. Please refactor and edit as required. So I'm thinking that maybe the issue is that the way that we're using the package is not correct, and maybe React Native Firebase could provide the proper solution. Well, let's give it a try and see what happens. Okay, so I gotta make sure install the following. So we need to install React Native Firebase, auth, and Firestore. Okay. Okay, that doesn't look fully right, but sure, why not? It's only because of the local host. Okay. And then, so if you at the very top where we have Firebase Compat, auth, connect auth emulator. Let's comment these out. Paste that like so. And then okay. Comment this out like so. Paste that like there. And then join this with 6969 8080. Well, localhost, I don't even think that exists. So what we'll do is we'll do it like this, and then for this we'll do it like that. What else is the issue? Dot user. It says here, what is this? Namespace. No export member dot user. Okay. I mean, I can just get rid of it then. I don't think it's gonna be an issue, is it? Okay. And then inside power building, we need to change these functions right here. So okay, so I think that should be it. So what we've done is we got rid of using the first version of whatchamacallit, the thingy, what's the thing called? Oh yeah, the first version of Firebase. And we're using something called React Native Firebase. There's a package that's dedicated specifically for developing through React Native Firebase. So this thingy right here, it's pretty good. I like it. Gets the job done. I don't know why we didn't use it earlier. Okay, let's see what we have as an error. You attempt to use the Firebase and module that's not installed in your Android project. Crap. That's what I gotta do. Okay. So what we gotta do is we need to set up the credentials. How do we do this again? Nah, let's do this. Hang on. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back to what I had before. I want to just figure it out. We're just gonna figure out why it's not working. That's gonna be the best bet, because I'm not going to go and set up my Google credentials. Don't want to do that. I don't want to. I don't want to. Okay. Okay. So let's see here. According to the documentation, the way that we can use this is we need to initialize app. Yep, already did that. And then get Firestore. What is that? Get Firestore. Hang on. let me do this here. Let's do React Native. No, let's do Expo Firestore Android emulator. Okie dokie. Oh, perfect. This is exactly the issue that we have. An Android Studio emulator has a good connection. Yep. Actually, the app is not fetch anything. I tried this. Get off like this. Hi, I just found this issue. I'm having the exact same issue. My problem. Everything works out. I was able to resolve this by replacing this with this. Okay, we can give that a try, but I just want to double check something. Okay, let's give that a try, sure. And then we'll just do that. Initialize Firestore. React Native. Okay. So import. Oh wait, no. The imports are here. So we need to initialize. What the hell? I'm trying to figure out like what initialize Firebase even means. Initialize app, initialize this. Wait. Okay, so get Firestore. What do we have as before? We had Firebase dot something. We had Firebase dot get Firestore. So if I do Firebase dot initialize, nope, that's not it. Firestore. Does it take any parameters? Okay, let's look this up really quickly. Connect auth emulator at a different. There's gotta be a dark mode for this thing, man. Oh my god. For Stack Overflow at least. So if I do that like that, get rid of that. Okay. And then after that we need to do initialize app fired off Firebase auth dot Firebase. So if I do, let's put this down here. And you know what? What I'll do is I'll comment that out, save this, refresh it all. Okay. a.com and password. Log in. We do gonna I don't have a user. Okay, let me go ahead and create a user then. a.com. Oops. a.com. And then password. Wait, what? What? It's already registered? Okay, fine, let's try that out. Password. Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working? So what the hell? Oh, it's, oh, whoops, it's actually assword, not password. I was thinking, I thought I broke everything. Oh, there we go, okay. It's just really slow right now. So it didn't work? No, it didn't work. Cloud Firestore has not been used in a project placeholder before. It is disabled. Enable it. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna honestly just keep asking ChatGPT until we figure it out how to get this to work. Okay. Alright, let's see what happens. No, let me move this a little bit more. There we go. Okay. So enable Firestore API. Have I enabled it? I don't need to enable it because it's running locally. Check your Firestore security rules. Your rules only allow read and write. Make sure it's intended. Dependency debugging. Your local emulator is connecting it. Are you sure that's the correct address? Yeah, that's the correct address. Okay, let's try something out here then. So first things first, let's bring back those security rules that we had. Firestore rules. And then inside of here, let's bring back our host, which is this. Firestore is this. Okay. Okay, and then refresh. Yeah, I gotta figure out a way to make this automatically go to the home page if the user is already logged in. Actually, let's do that right now. If a user is already registered, take them to the home page. It isn't doing that right now. I need to log in even if I've already done so. That's what I was hoping for. I need a question log. Oh, excuse me. So use effect, which is this right here. I'll put it right here. Firebase user is null. Okay, whilst that's happening, AIDA.com. And the password is the assword. Like so. Log in. So it logs in perfectly fine, which is good. And then I click on here. And then it breaks here. Did it break? I don't think it broke. Wait, I think it worked. Hang on. So if I go into here. Wait, I didn't refresh the... Ah, damn it. Let me... Wait a second. I just saw this right now. 15:47. I don't know. A couple minutes ago. A minute ago. Oh, this is just our rules. Oh, okay. Okay, that's nothing. That's nothing. Let's go ahead and just refresh this thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, I like that. There wasn't an error that said like it's not connected. So if I go to power building, set workouts to be that. But have I even done anything with the workouts? Wait, if I go to functions, index.js, request.name, password. Oh right, I need to create a user because I restarted everything. Okay, password, and then I click on here, and then I go here. Oh wait, no, I go here. Oh, wait a second. I think I realized what's happening. I think I understand now. Yeah, okay, I got it now. I don't get an error anymore that says it timed out, but how do I know that it connected to the Firestore DB? I don't see a new collection on user create. So let's give it this. Let's give it, we'll give it this as well. Give it that as well. And then we'll also give it this too. Let's see what happens. Because I think the issue is that we're not getting an error, which is good. And you initialize, there's a high chance you, but if you don't see any collections, your Firestore code seems to be missing the server side function. Export shot. You didn't initialize DB with. Where does this go? What? In front of the code place, blah blah blah. Add console log Firebase function to see. Okay, we'll also do that as well. What? You want to have the const db admin Firestore calco functions file. Oh, this one. Is this the one? No, not this one. Firestore index.js. It's the top of the file right here. Okay. DB, which is this right here. Okay, and then let's do this as well. Let's do console.log excuse me, workout ref dot id, hi, like so, and then we'll also do error. And we'll do error, like so. Okay. Can I gotta redeploy. Okay. Go ahead, start all over again. We're making progress. Still feels like one step forward, two step back. So I know that, but we are making progress. No, it's two steps forward, one step back. So we are making progress. We just got it to connect, I think. So as soon as it's launched, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and create I'm just gonna go ahead and create it in the app. That's the better idea. Okay. So we're going to do a registration. And we'll do AA. And we'll do a@a.com. Password, like so. Sign up. Okay. And then what? Wait, what? So in the back end, oh, wait a second. I think I just realized something. Okay. Okay. I forgot to mention I have a GraphQL backend that the cloud code function can go through. Here's the code. So copy this. Copy this, paste that there. And then we'll also put it here as well. It's a lot of code. Hopefully it doesn't error out, and it did not. Okay, good. Alright, so you got a lot of things going on there. Apollo, Firebase, React Native, that's quite a solid stack since you're using GraphQL. Okay. Apollo server initialization. If you want to handle everything via GraphQL, you might not need. Yeah, and only using Firebase for things that can't be easily. Okay, now let's do that. Then let's use GraphQL in that case instead of Firebase Cloud. Give me the code, please. Okay, so what do we have here? We have our GraphQL schema, which is this right here, which is perfect. Mutation, Update our resolvers. Okay. 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 Sure. Let's close all these tabs, by the way. Let's start fresh. So we have our schema.graphql. This is it right here. Okay, so it's just integrating basically all the stuff that we've come up with so far that we need. So the plan input, workout plan like so. Okay. Okay, like so. And then inside of our GraphQL resolvers, I already didn't know. Okay, sure. Let's give that a try. So schema GraphQL. Oops, not that. Not that either. Which one was it? It was Firebase admin. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly copy and paste the code that we have, and I'll talk through it individually about what's happening. Just give me 1 second. Okay. And then Apollo server. Do I need to after after making the changes, what else do I need to do with GraphQL? Oh, hey Vancouver. You motivate me every time you stream right? Oh man, that's amazing, dude. Thank you so much for your support, man. It really does mean a lot when people enjoy these type of streams. Yeah, man, thank you so much. I hope your personal projects are going really well, man. Keep it up. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. Because I changed my GraphQL. There's something else I need to do, I think. I meant, do I need to regenerate my types? Okay, so we need to regenerate our types now. So I think it was cd fit tracker backend, and then npm run codegen. What? Yep, it's right here. So we're having this. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, so we have this error right here with code gen. Honestly, I really want to just see if we can make a request to, I just want to see if we can make a request to our Firestore database before I call it a day. I think that's a good place to end off. Oh, generate, right. npm run generate, I think. There we go. Okay. Were there any changes made to our types? Holy moly, reveal. Okay, yeah, so there were right down here. Cool. Okay. How do I use the newly generated GraphQL in my front end here? Excuse me. Okay, alright, so let's see what's happening here. So, alright, so to start off, we need to fetch the data with Apollo client from your GraphQL API. You'll have to make sure some modifications. Okay, yep. So you already have that. And then define your queries, modify like that. Remove Firebase code. Since you're using GraphQL, you might not need Firebase real-time subscription. Wait a second. Hang on a second. So we have our localhost. Oh yeah, that's not right. We want to change it to, actually, hang on a second. If I do 8084, is it 8084? 8082, 8084 is what we want. And then npm start. Any errors? Yeah, we have an error. Damn it. What is the error? It says here cannot find name admin, cannot find name GraphQL schema. Okay. Let's do this GraphQL schema at the very bottom here. Import type defs. What have I messed up here? Okay, so module GraphQL type defs locally, but it's not exported. Alright, export type defs and resolvers. Okay, that's what we need to do. Export type defs and resolvers, like so. There we go. And then after that, we need to also do admin. Can't find it? Oh, it's right here, buddy. It's right there. Cannot find name admin. What do you mean can't find it? It's right here. Oh, server.ts. Oh, oops. Server.ts. DB. Let's do this. Let's go schema. We'll copy it like this. Like so. And then we have inside of line 14 is the issue, which is this right here. Okay. Okay. Let's give her another try. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Damn it. Oh, right. Okay, so we gotta define these types as well. And then so into the schema.ts. Alright, let's see what we got here. So first off, TypeScript is complaining because you haven't added to TypeScript parameters, which makes sense. To fix it, you okay, makes sense. Okay, let's give that a try then. So let's go to workout plan async. Excuse me. So we have to get a workout plan, get this. So what we need to do is we need to give it interface args, and then we'll do something like week number. So we have week number, which is, where is it? Week number. Week number, okay. Just that. Okay, yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I can't just put them all in one. Okay, so let's do this. Paste. Oh, oopsies. Okay. I think my keyboard just broke. Hang on 1 second. Just refreshing my page. Okay. Okay, I guess I don't have to manually type it up then. That's not good. Interface, and then workout plan input. Week number is going to be equal to a number, and then focus string, and then after that we have there we go, now it's working. Okay, I think my computer was having a mini stroke. There we go. So instead of query, we have get workout plan. This is gonna take our get workout plan argument, which is gonna be week number. Okay, there we go. And I'm just gonna give it like this, arguments, like so. There we go. And the next thing is gonna be create workout plan, which is going to be like that. We're going to give it input. There we go. Update workout plan. There we go. And then finally we're going to do delete workout plan. Okay. And now it's saying week number is specified more than once. Oh, oops. What does that mean? Yeah, I think I'm reaching the end of my code life cycle here. After I get this fixed, I'm just gonna take a break from coding for a couple of years. Okay. Okay, so first error suggests that there isn't the right type for this because I expected that. Sure, just give me the code. I'm just gonna call it a day now. The next thing is week number is the issue now. That's the only thing that's left. Yeah, I wonder why it's so laggy. I think it's a thing with Macs. For some reason, whenever I connect my sure, let's just do it like that. Might as well. Okay, that fixes everything. Now if we run it, it should be fine. Okay, now we're facing an issue that says this default Firebase app does not exist. Make sure you call initialize app before your Firebase. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That's gonna be inside of here, I think. Or it was inside of my index.ts file. Yeah, I'm initializing the app right here. What are you talking about, man? I am initializing the app. Okay, at the very top of my... Okay. So I've already imported that. That's fine. That's already imported. And then inside of my server, I've already done that too. I mean, then admin comes out as cannot be found. Okay. This is so confusing. We have admin, which is this right here, export DB. Firebase init. Import admin into the file where you're setting up your Apollo server. What is Firebase init? What? Oh yeah, sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. So it's saying like we need to initialize another admin, another file. Oh yeah, we have. Okay. And then if we do import, let's do admin from Firebase, like so. Please work. Please work. God damn it. Query get workup plan is defined in resolvers but not in schema. Sure, let's try that out. So we have our not in schema but it is in resolvers. Resolvers but not in schema. Okay, so we need to update our type defs to include the missing get workup plan. Type defs, where is our type def? Which is this right here. And then, okay, let's also include all of them. Okay, let's include all of them that are required. So we have workup plan. No, yeah, it's lagging so hard. We have our schema, which is this schema.graphql. Okay, yeah. Let's include all of them that are required. Yeah, might as well just have everything that we need. Okay. And then we're gonna run code gen npm run generated, and then npm start. There we go, finally. Okay, now it's working. Now we can close all these tabs. God damn. Now we go back into our front end. Okay. Now, how do I use the appropriate function in my in my Expo app? And then I feel like next time I start the stream again, then we can talk about exactly what just happened. Alright, so you're currently you're currently using Firestore or GraphQL, but now you also have Paul servers running GraphQL. Okay. Okay, what is a GraphQL file? Why? So we have use query, use mutation. So we have use query, Apollo client, okay. So we need to create these files. How do I create these files? Assume beginner. Okay, so let's do this. Inside of here, we'll create a new folder, call it queries. We'll do add new file, GraphQL query. queries.ts. Okay. And then we'll create a new one. We'll call it graph. We're gonna create the new GraphQL query, which is gonna be create workout plan, get workout plans. Okay. And then inside of our not here, inside of our power building right here, so import get workout plans, and then import create workout plan, and then use Apollo client hooks. Okay. Do I use the hooks here? Alright, so we've created a query connector to GraphQL. Now we just gotta use them, I guess. I'm so confused. I think it's gonna be that's gonna happen a lot while we're gonna develop this app, but that's fine. Let's see what we got. Okay, what do we have? Cannot. Create workout plan. GraphQL mutation. Wait, what? It has to be a mutation? Oh, oops. It's supposed to be a mutation file, not supposed to be in there. Queries, and then we'll create a mutations folder. Mutations. And then create a new file, call it GraphQL mutations.ts. And then let's go and import it from there, like so. Okay, let's do this. Import. Oh god, this friggin' keyboard's about to have a stroke. Create workout plan, like so. And now save it. Okay. So click on sign up. a@a.com. Password. Sign up. Already in use. Already have an account. a@a.com. Password. Okay. Click that. And then did that work? I don't even know if that worked. Did that work? Okay. But then how do I know that it worked? Okay. So I did all that. Now how do I know that it worked? Okay, we can do that. Sure, we can do that. Let me do this. User signed in. We'll get rid of this. Data, which is this right here. Okay, I'm getting this back from there. I'm just giving it the code that we have left. Okay, so what do we have now? So we have this return as an empty array, which probably means that there's no workup on the database. Doesn't necessarily mean it's broken, because it means that there's no data to display. That said, your log suggests that your clients, so that's a win. Okay, you populate your data. Fine, let's do that. Let's go ahead and I guess create one. Okay. How can create a collection in my drivers and literature? So I'm just asking it for some sample data that I can have, that I can try to. Okay. Initialize app. I'm calling GraphQl. Okay. Create workup plan. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's do this. I have an idea. Let me go to my. Where is that thing again? Go to my backend. Go to my source. GraphQL. Inside of here. Create workout plan. Give me a sample code I can add in my Expo front end that will automatically create a workout plan. And then power building, which is this bad boy right there. Okay. So let's see what it's gonna say. Alright, you got a nice setup here, good job, you got your GraphQL. So thankfully we already have our create workout plan created, the mutation and everything. So let's try and use that then. Use effect. Okay. Week number, focus one, yada yada yada. Okay. Okay, let's give that a try. So use effect, put that there. I'll make a new use effect right here. Create workout plan. It's already been declared. Perfect. And let's give it a try. Sample workout plan created. Please, please. Damn it. Well, I get that error. Oh, let me actually do this. What? Okay, so the sample workout plan is created. I just want to see it work. I just want to see it work. Okay. So I'm going to say that we got it to work. Okay, and then, oh god, this keyboard is going to have a stroke. Okay, so we have GraphQL mutations, queries, power building right here. Okay, copy this, paste that there. But I don't see any new collection. Why is that? Even though I got a successful message. God damn it, but I don't see a successful message, but I don't see a new collection, even though I have a success message. What time is it? Yeah, damn. I guess we're going back to GPT 3.5. Hang on. Let's go to our rules, see what we have as our rules. Here's my rules. Okay, so we have your Firestore rules, double check. Check your Apollo client configuration. Okay, you know what, let's give this one a try here. Let's do that. For testing purposes only, sure. We'll save with that. And wait. Oh, get automatic updates. Okay, cool. Cool. And if I go into my, where's the file? If I go into my components and then I go into power building. Okay. Sample workout plan created, SS. Refresh. Still nothing. Okay, let's try something else out. This is more. This is a lot more than I thought it was going to be. Okay, let's try this out. Firestore, GraphQL, Expo. Okay, how to create a GraphQL API with Firebase function and Firestore. Okay. Let me zoom in a lot more. Make directory, initialize app, okay. Wait, what is it, Expo? Should be fine. Should be good enough. Okay, we have that. And we have that. What is going on here? Okay. Wait, you know what? Let me try something out really quickly. Start a collection. Workout. So if I refresh the page, workout plan. Okay. Wait, did it work? Some database storage. Where is this at? GraphQl data, get workout plans. This. We have it right here. Workout plan. Like, here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. I see that we have GraphQl data right here. Focus this. Got that. GraphQL data, create sample workout. The emulator suite UI only supports the default database right now. What does that mean, default database? It says at the very top here, only supports default database. What? Try some of this Firebase JSON, okay. Init emulators, no, that's not it either. What in the world? Start emulators. That. So that's not right at all. Create sample workout. Create sample workout. Use mutation of this and this. Yep, I've already done that too. And then I provide it inside of here. Create workout plan. dv.collections workout plans. Okay. Let's do this. On function. I can't seem to call create workout plan and oh wait, let me try something out here. Let me do console.log hello world and then do this right here. 1 2 3 2. Put it right above there. Like so, okay. And then workout plan or get workout plan to get the hello world console logs. Okay. There's something I'm missing, man. I am so confused. So confused. Okay, so it seems like you're facing an issue when creating, retrieving that. Ensure that your power client is set up properly. Damn. Oh wait, are there logs? Logs. Okay. Database/databases. Let's do this. Let me refresh this thing. Okay. So reload everything. Okay, let's do this. Alright, we gotta create the user. aa@a.com, and then password. Sign up. Go into here. Loading. Get workout plans. And then if I refresh my Firebase, okay, so I have user there, but I don't see the collection at all. Man, what am I missing? Couldn't find Firebase function in packaging source code. Have you run npm install? Wait, what? Setup? Let me try that out. Npm install. Okay. Because like here inside of Firebase, where is the function Firebase functions? Okay, let's try rerunning this. Let's see what happens. Shutdown emulators. Could not start. Port taken. Of course. Let's close that. Close that. Oh wait. Hello world. Duh, duh, duh. What was that? What was that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Create workup fine. Okay, so it is creating it. Okay. Fit tracker, Firebase emulators start. It's already open somewhere? Really? Really? It's already open somewhere? Okay, let me see here. Um, 8084. Let's see where in the app this is. So 8084, 8085. 8085, 8085. Okay. Do we have a issue with npm? Yeah, we do. Okay. 8085 is that there? Okay. My thought is now that if I go into my schema.graph, no, index.ts, we have admin firestore, admin. Oh man, what? Okay, let's refresh the app. So we see hello world there. And if I go to my 127 Firebase emulator suite, okay. Let's do AA.com, password, and then I go here, hello world. Okay, so it created it. So it's saying that it created the actual collection. So that means that the only thing that's the issue is that we're not connected to the proper route then. Okay. And fit tracker local. Okay. Okay. Now that I think about it, the issue is that when I run create workout plan, it runs, it gives the appropriate message, but doesn't create it in the emulator. That means that the actual configuration to connect to the Firebase emulator Firestore is incorrect. How can I fix that? So that's my hypothesis, is that we have everything working and it's just not connected properly to the actual Firestore database emulator. Let's give that a try. Localhost 8085, sure. Wait a second. I think I know. Let's try this out. Put that there. Okay. So now I go back. Can I go back? And then click here. Oh man, damn it. And then click here. .88. Wait, what? So I click here, go here. What am I missing here? Wait, so was it? So I go here, and then control. Oh God. Okay. npm start, and then if I go back into it. Hello world. Okay, so it means that that's connected. 1649 for testing purposes only. Resource. Request path is this. Okay, hang on, let me try something out here. Okay, Firestore, Expo, GraphQl. So we have this there. GraphQl, Apollo Client, React Native, a lot of functions like that there. What am I missing here? Firebase emulators, Firestorm, Expo, GraphQL. Okay, let me try this out. Testing Firestore rules. No. Using local. There's something I'm missing, man. What is it? What is it I'm missing? Firestore use emulator. Wait, so I have that there. But why won't it connect? Okay, so I see hello world. Does that mean that's connected to my Firebase Firestore? This is the part of coding that's really frustrating, is a lot of debugging. I see nothing. I do see a don't see any logic. I do see a rule. I don't. How is that it was connected? Ah, damn it. Damn it. Stop generating. Stop generating. Okay. Oh, god. Inspect. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Let's do this. Firestore rules. Okie dokie. Let's bring out the second wind. Let's try to figure this out. Okay. Here's the emulator, and here's the port that it's running on. Okay. Which are GraphQL server. Does it really? Hang on a second. I don't think it is. Index dot. Okay, let's try this out. Let's be crazy with it. Let's put that there. See what freaking happens, dude. Let's get absolutely crazy here with it. Wait, did I just oh man. Damn it. I wanted to rerun this. Okay. Now, here's hoping that it works. So, let's do this. a@a.com. Password. Login. Go there. Hello world. But did that work? I highly doubt it. Oh my god. Why is this so complicated? I'm just looking at the documentation right now trying to see if I can find anything. So we have adding a line of code. Wait, hang on. Just type adding a few lines. Okay. Cloud Firestore, yeah. Okay. Let's try this out. So for this, we have Firebase emulator start, require Firebase functions, Firebase document, admin, Firebase admin, no. Wait, how did I do it in here? DB, Firebase.firestore. Okay, let's put that there like so. We'll comment this one out. And then import Firebase Firestore, okay. Firebase Firestore. Why am I doing it in multiple areas but I don't understand? Oh my god. Okay, let me think here. Okay, let me. Okay. Firebase Compact. Admin.firestore. Okay. Let me do one final thing. So let's do GraphQL Firestore emulator. Okay, so do this, Firebase functions, admin.firestore. Okay. Go ahead and add a few documents. Okay, let's give that a try. So, okay. Firestore 2. All right. Let's do this. Let's follow this. Let's follow this then. Okay, follows. Firebase admin. Okay, so we have import all as admin. Import all as admin. Okay. I'm not gonna give it that. Close all these friggin' tabs. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's minimize this. Okay. Okay. So, type defs. We're just gonna give this as an example and try to see what we can do here. So, type defs, user string, yep, and then query, and then you know what? We'll also create user, okay, and then we'll give it like that. Const fetch all. I'm just gonna give it any for now. I just want to see if this could even work. I just want to see it work, honestly. Seeing it work would be great for my mental. And then query, and then query. And then we're gonna do that, like so. And then now we just wrap everything into a function. Sure. And then npm start. Oh wait, hang on. Let me do npm run generate. npm start. Okay. And then I'm gonna open this and go to /GraphQl. Okay, so how does this work? So we need to give it a user. Okay, so inside of my Firebase emulator, I'm gonna go into my Firestore, start a collection. We'll call it. We're gonna copy it exactly how it is here, but we need to change a few things. Users, okay. Document ID, whatever. What do we have? User UID string 1 2 3 4. Sure. Add, and then email. And then that's also going to be a@a.com. Save that. Okay. So I've created an example right here. And now I'm going to go to this right here. Now let's do users. Wait. Users email on type of query. Excuse me. Users right here. I do have it. Wait, control sample query. What? Schema. Dude, what in the world is going on here? Oh my god. Schema.GraphQL query. Okay, let's do this. How can I test my GraphQL schema on the UI of GraphQL? Okay, let's go to Explorer. Okay, I can open a new ChatGPT really quickly. Needs your help. I can't seem to. I'm going to ChatGPT 4. That's honestly at this rate, it's probably gonna be the best bet. So, need your help. I can't seem to connect Firestore to my GraphQL, then GraphQL to my Expo app. I figure let's try connecting GraphQL to emulator Firestore. Can you help me test a query in the Expo Explorer? The users one in particular, please. Here's the code I have so far. Okay, let's see what happened. Hey, connecting can be a bit of a pain sometimes. No worries, let's try to break it down on one step at a time. Okay. I want to test it in the Expo. No, not the Expo. The GraphQL Apollo Explorer, please. Class. Okay. So if I go in here, looks like you can okay. Let's try this out here. Type defs. Some people just straight up code for hours and hours and hours. I don't even know how they do it. Check up all server, double check up all server, make sure you're wait, how do I check my Apollo server? Apollo server? Where's my type defs? Then let's do this. Okay. Try simple resolvers. Sometimes try to replace it with a simple resolver. Develop catch all users. Okay, after I make changes, do I need to regenerate anything? Okay, well, I mean, I am using generated. I do have generated types. npmi nodemon. Start, I think. Wait, hang on. ls cd into src nodemon server.ts. Okay, there we go. And then we need to do npm run generate. Let's give that a try. cd.dot npm run generate. Wait, hang on. Let me do it. cd src npm run generate. Okay. Okay, let me try one more thing out. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. How can I set up Apollo server and do a query. If that doesn't work, then I'm just gonna call it a day here and try again next time, because this is way too friggin' long now. Implement AI, npm install GraphQL, Apollo server. I do have that installed, I think, right? Apollo server, GraphQL. Yep. Inside of the server.ts file right here. Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna comment that out, and then I'll just do a paste like so, and then let's do this. We'll do npm run generate, and then let's do nodemon server.ts. We have an error that says URL is an implicitly of any type. No, it should be a string. No, it's not there. I think string. How about that? Does that work for you, bud? On object. Oh goddamn. I think there really is something as too much coding for one day, but we got to keep trying. Oh wait, it says URL error. Oh, that's what you did. Okay. Server info. There we go. Okay, localhost 4000. We go to localhost 4000. You see emulator suite. Oh god, damn it. Hang on. Let me turn off the emulator suite. Okay, here is our Apollo server. Now if I do /GraphQL, let's just do this, automatically redirect to the query. Automatically redirect, come on. Okay, while that's happening, let's do this. Query hello. Sample. Query, run it, you get hello world. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm gonna continue on from here. So we set up. We really didn't go much of anywhere, honestly. This was 3 hours of pretty much just learning and understanding. So what we're gonna do next time is we're going to take these resolvers and we're going to properly apply them to proper functions and have these type defs applied to our, hopefully to our Firestore database. The goal is to connect our GraphQL to our emulator, and then our emulator to our GraphQL, our Firestore emulator to our GraphQL API. Then we connect our API to our front end. We'll do it like that. We'll do it live. Frig it, we'll do it live. All right, if y'all enjoy that, I'm so tired.